being forced against my will to go fishing, which is cool. I ain't mad about that. So let's head on over and then we'll see where it goes from there.
He's going to wait for us because we're going to
That's fine. I need to charge so I step on it, right? It's that or not? Do you care if it has cracking?
Yes. But we don't very much. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah, we're next. If John shows up, he'll come.
Up there at the front counter is
Sign in.
yeah, you gotta like let them know.
Oh, there's so many. Which one?
That's probably this one.
Include your names here.
Oh, there. Thank you.
You got it?
Almost, we're about to start.
Your boat's right there, right?
Yep, I see her. You saying get off the dock? Okay,
Right.
go ahead.
Go.
Yep.
Am I doing the right way?
One second. Stop. Hold on. The line coming. There you go. Alright, you go ahead. Over. Sorry, you're stretching. I like it. You really like hell, man. You're gonna be there for a good second.
Oh.
Alright, stop right there 1 second. Let me sit over.
Good enough.
Close.
Maybe finger up.
Yeah, I was about to say 20 more times. Ready to go. You with that?
20.
Alright, thank you. Freshen that new, bro. It's my favorite. Actually. Sweet. You need this back? Yeah. I got one. Cooler of death. There we go. Now since all of us are fat asses, just like everything else, we gotta trim it out, so make sure we try and split our weight evenly.
Boston Wheeler Road secured.
Marina, make no 800, leaving Marina.
800 copy. Okay, bye, Marina.
Bunch of fishies.
Oh yeah, I'm jumping.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's right out in the middle of that.
Yep, try and get it out there.
Try.
You know how to cast, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's a little big, but
People don't. Oh God, that was nice. You're good. Over the top of you, you're fine. Yeah, so what's gonna happen is once I get this boat under power, someone hold on to that rod, whoever, I don't care who it is, and we're gonna troll by it. So go ahead and get your hands on the rod though. Don't close that, we're gonna be using that all day. This is probably just a touch too big of a piece of squid, but we got lots of squid, so I'm not too worried. So here's that leader knot. We don't want that to go into the eyes. You wait until this part right here comes closest to the reel and your finger. Hold it, let go. And you're gonna deep six it as fast as it'll go. All right, once it's there, don't let it sit down there too long. Pick it up off bottom. Now I'm gonna let it drop. Pick it up. Now, you want to make sure that you're not jigging it all the way up to here because you have no power. If a fish grabs this, you can't set that hook. So when you're jigging, you want to jig from about here to here, keeping the line taut. So if I go like this, we don't want that. We want to pick up and follow it all the way down. There's no slack line. Every once in a while, the bottom has lots of changes, so you want to follow that. So let it hit bottom again, and reel it up just a crank or two. Just keep jigging it. So when you feel a fish on here, like that, you let go. So you drop it back down. It'll feel like it stops. If it doesn't stop, it'll feel like pop, 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 pop. And that's fine too. Set the hook though. Run that hook home. A lot of these fish have real bony mouths. You want to make sure you're setting that hook pretty well. Keep doing this. So say I do hook up a fish, you want to make sure that the line never goes slack and the rod is always bent. If the rod is slack, that means they can unhook or spit whatever it is in the mouth, right? Work it free. If you really get something that's going to hurt you or put some good wallop on you, your groin to the left and right, if it hurts too much, we do have shoes on this boat. Put a shoe there, it'll help a lot and keep it from bruising as bad. Yep, and it's going to be reel, pump, reel, pump, reel, pump, reel. Trying to keep that rod doubled over and that line tight at all times. Okay? You don't ever bring the rod above 10 o'clock because that's how you break rod tips off. A lot of times if you miss a hit, they've taken your bait. Well, we got a nice big chunk on here and it's squid, so it stays on pretty well. Now, all of us are all going to be probably fishing on one side of the boat because as we drift away, your line's going to flag out. Yeah. So try and space yourselves out. If you're up on the nose, go out on that side and kind of fling it a little bit. You're going to stack here, this person stacks here, and this person's going to go out a little ways. If someone does hook into something that really starts to leave a mark, everyone reel their lines up, okay? Getting them to catch a line of fish. Pretty simple, easy guys?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, let's do it. Whoever wants this rod, this is theirs, I don't care. Alright, Bellman. Oh, hey, when you hold it, like a trigger, one finger or above, okay? But never just the butt. There we go. Little sweet lips.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I got a pair of flares.
Set it down.
Number one rule of all these fish, don't just grab them, because some of them have like
Spiny.
special trigger, like precise surgeon razor blades back there. But like this fish, these are all spines. They're not poisonous, but if they get infected, that's where they fuck you over. But dude, nice. Nice fish, dude.
What kind of fish is it?
A little like what do we call these? Emperor fish. There's many different styles of emperor fish. It's okay.
We got fish again.
Do that
You
again.
have to. You wonder why we do this.
Whoa.
People say I'm insane. Tug is the drug, baby. Tug is the drug. Real, if you're resting, he's resting.
No.
And we'll do it again. Real.
Bunch of fish, a lot we had to let go. I never thought I'd like fishing, man, but fishing's super fun.
Like one maybe. There's some big ass shark out there. And the shark was right behind him. He was like 5 foot, 6 foot, coming in right behind me. Yeah, buddy. That's a good trout. These ones we make tacos. All grouper. All grouper, right? And strawberry. And what do you guys call this? A marbled?
No, it's a black, it's a brown grouper.
All good eats. My favorite food.
Glad to get out of my room.
Right? Yeah, we did
This one, clean and guts.
what's that?
Clean and guts.
Actually,
Or fillet also.
we're gonna fillet also. We're gonna make tacos with those. So that one's skin and fillet, and these ones all fillet and skin too, just separate bags. Okay. Thank you.
Go out more.
I know. I tried. We have to do this thing called work every once in a while. Every once in a while. What I look like.
So we just got back. I just got done taking a shower because I smell like fish and sea all day. Dude, what a blast. I caught a couple good fishes. A lot of my friends caught some too. The last one, I'll show a picture of it right here. Here's a picture of the last fish I caught. Well, here's pictures of all the fishes, but this one, there was a shark that was trying to come after it. My friend was like, pull it in the boat, pull it in the boat. So I like reeled it like into the boat. It just barely got out of the water. As soon as I brought it out, we saw this shark. It's like a tiger or a lion shark. It's been trying to get all our fishes all day, and well, it succeeded in a lot of them, but it tried to get mine. And my friend told me just in time to pull it up into the boat, and man, that was crazy. Yeah, If you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it, leave me a comment, whatever, you know. More vlogs coming your way. Thanks.
Oh boy.
Orion.
What are you on? Ryan's Bell? What do you mean like? What are you on?
This is a commercial right there. Commercial.